guys, welcome to today's video. Today I am so excited to film today's video. I'm going to try two new things. I'm going to try the Kiara Sky, I think that's what it's called, Kiara Sky Dip System, the French kit. And I also have the Apres polishes. Like there's a extend gel, a bond, and a primer in here. And I also have some Gel X tips from Apres. I think that's how you say it. I have no idea. This is the natural round medium nails. I am really excited. So I actually want to open stuff on camera. I actually opened it from the packaging of the boxes already. So I literally got this in the mail like maybe 5 minutes ago, and I want to come on and share my first impressions of these really quick before we actually get into applying everything. So I actually wanted to just test or to see what the nails look like first. They feel a lot stronger than my Saviland ones. I'm definitely going to, of course, file them down when I do my nails because that is too long for my liking, so I am going to file them down. So this is my Saviland, or I forget which brand these are, but these are Gel X tips, and I might not even have to use dip powder if I don't want to. I could just use this with a gel polish. Now let's go into the other Apres stuff that I got from, I ordered all of this on Amazon, by the way. I'll have it linked down below so you guys can check that out. Okay, so we have the Apres Extend Gel. It's a Soak Off Soft Gel. I love the color of it. I actually want to see what it looks like. It's definitely similar to the Saviland gel glue. And then I'm glad that I bought the three of these, not individually. It's nice. So this is the bonder and then the primer. I've never had a bonder before, so those will be really cool. And they have it numbered, so this will be number 1, this will be number 2, and then this will be obviously the number 3 too. Alright, now let's go into the Kiara Sky stuff. So these two are actually slipped out of the packaging, which is not fun, so I'm going to open it right now. Alright, so the first bottle is the bond, which looks like that. And it also is numbered, which I think is really nice. I do like that. The Saviland ones were not numbered, and I really, really like that Kiara Sky and Apres did that. The next one is base, which I'm guessing that the base is the base coat, obviously, for the dip powder to stick to. Next we have 3, which is Seal Protect. They have a little guide here. Oh, and then a tips and tricks thing, which I really like, and then proper care on the back. And then I have the little instructions here. Number 4 is the top coat. 6 is a nourishing oil, which I'm really excited about because my red carpet one is almost out. And then we have the brush saver. This is a great thing to have when doing dip powder. I love it. Okay, now let's go through the dip powders themselves. Oh, and it has more brush applicator things. So I also had, when I first started using dip powders, I used I think it was the Rosalind ones, and those were so tiny. I just want to show a comparison of the two because it's crazy. Like, this is the Kiara Sky, and then this one is the Rosalind one. It's so I thought there was like a little, I guess not. So I thought there was something like this in the kit because it's a French, it doesn't look like it. So I guess I'm gonna have to use this thing, which is fine. But okay, now I want to go into the dip powders themselves. So this one is, okay, in the Rosalind one, they had like little numbers on the bottom, and they didn't have a color number thing like a pink or something like that. They just have numbers, and I mean, you can kind of tell what powder it is, but it's annoying. I would like to have like a clear depiction of what the shade is. So this one is natural. We have pure white, which is nice. We have light pink, medium pink, and dark pink. Now let's get into the fun part of actually applying the dip powder, the nails, and doing the dip powder French tip. So first things first, I'm going to size all the tips. I have very small fingers and different size fingers. So on my left hand, and it might be different sizes from my right hand. So I'm just going to size all of the nails first. Then I'm going to do some cuticle prep or nail prep. So I'm going to first start with my Sally Hansen cuticle remover and just apply this to all of my nails and wait for a few seconds, and then take my metal cuticle pusher to push back all of the cuticles. Now I'm going to take my Savvyland e-file drill. I'm just going to take my cuticle bit to kind of remove the excess cuticle that is still left on the nail plate. Next, for for filing my nails, I like to use a glass nail file rather than like an emery board file, just because it's a lot gentler on the nail. So I'm just going to file the free edge of the nail first. Then what I like to do is I'm going to take my nail drill again and use a sanding band just to kind of rough up the surface of the nail. And I'm also using a softer nail bit thing on the drill, so it's really gentle on my nail. First, I'm going to go in with my, I think it's the Apres pH bond bonder first on all the nails to get it prepped and ready for the nail application. And then after the bonder, I'm going to go in with the Apres primer to also get the nails ready and prepped for nail application. Now, I actually did this set of nails, I actually put on the primer twice, and it seemed to really help the adhesion of the nail, which is so nice. So now it's time to apply my Gel X tips. So I'm going to apply the Extend Gel on my natural nails first, and then I'm going to apply the Extend Gel to the actual nail tip and cure it under a lamp for about 60 seconds. And then once I have all 10 nails done, I also cure it in a bigger UV lamp for another 60 seconds. Now it's time to file and reshape the nail. So the nail tips that I have are a little bit too long for my liking, so I like to kind of file them down, and I actually file them to a shape that I like, so I like square nails. Now it's time for my favorite part. So I'm going to take my Kiara Sky dip system. This is the French dip system, and I'm just going to do a basic French tip design. So I like to do about 2 to 3 layers of the light pink powder, and then I do 2 layers of the white powder, and then I top it off with the top coat that came in the Kiara Sky kit. Okay, so I just finished the nail application. So this is the Apres press-on nails, or Gel X nails with the Kiara Sky French dip powders. I really like how these turned out. I mean, I could have done a lot better, I think, but these are definitely better than the Saviland and Rosalind Gel X nails and dip powder system. So yeah, like I said, I really like these two brands. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!